Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about manage menu by user role in WordPress. So many time we build WordPress project with role management. We also need to control what menu item appear for each role. So let's see how to this easy by using plugin. Why user role based menus? So different menu item to guest, subscriber, investor, agent or admin. Suppose I have this site. So at here currently I am logged in with admin, and at here I also able to see agent dashboard, investor dashboard, etc. And but it also I also have access to see login, but if I already logged in, then there should be no login button at here. So for fix this, uh, meet the plugin user menu. So plugin name user menu, and you can also download from WordPress org plugin user menus, and it is easily control visibility for menu item by role, login status and more. So how to install and use? So go to plugin, add go to plugins, click on add new, and then search user menus. So at here it is by code Atlantic, and it is very awesome add-on. So click on install now, and then click on activate. Skip. Now it is activated. Now go to any admin existing menu, like I have this menu. So now like I want login page only for logged out user, not for login user, and also register page only for logged out user, not for everyone. And click on save. Now check. Now no login and other user at here. Now I want for this like agent dashboard for agent, investor dashboard for investor, etc. So for that, like logged in user, and select as agent, and for investor logged in user, and for investor click on save. Now it is both option investor and agent option gone. Now I also checking with agent and investor role. So for that, like hello agent is agent role, now after logged out, if no one is logged in, then it login and register is showing. So we all also checked it. Now we are checking for agent. now I am accessing with user agent, so I am switching to user agent directly. Visit site, and at here I can check agent dashboard at here and all thing at here. So now I am again checking to with agent sorry with investor, so that okay, checking with investor. Users, so if I want to check with investor, then switch to at here. Now if I check menu, then investor dashboard is showing at here. So and also we can add now I am going back to admin, and now we are using lots of option in the menu. Like if I want to show avatar, then we can also show avatar at here in the menu. Like I want to show avatar at here, profile, with profile. Now avatar is showing at here. Suppose I want to show name of user, like username or first name which I want, then I can also add that thing. Profile Sandeep is showing at here directly. So you can show any option at here, there are lots of option at here. You can also see show email, nickname, display name, last name. And now take away user menu, make role based navigation easy, no coding needed, work with your existing menus, perfect for remembering site, LMS or multi-role dashboard. If you found it helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.